Now look, I hear what you're thinking. You're thinking, I've never really even heard of this Bowen Therapy, and he can tell me that this bald Australian guy, albeit ruggedly handsome guy, is telling me that this is can treat all these conditions. And you're also thinking, did he just call himself ruggedly handsome? I know he's a bloody liar. Look, don't believe me. I don't want you to believe me. Don't take my word for it, because I could be pulling your chain, having you on, telling you porky pies. So that's why I'm going to give you proof. Okay, so here we are at bowentherapy.org.uk. Now this is an independent organisation of Bowen therapists run by Bowen therapists. Okay, so you can see here just in this little image. Now the reason I want to show you this is, again, just for massage therapists, think of the conditions, or even if you're not, the conditions that you can successfully treat, potentially successfully treat. Have a look at these testimonials here. Look at all of these people have been successfully treated with Bowen therapy. And look, everything from anemia to menstrual problems. You can see it, multiple sclerosis, osteoarthritis, Parkinson's disease. Look, let me just show you one that you're likely to see, back pain. So people, have acute back injuries, chronic back injuries, sciatica. Look, these are back pain testimonials. And look, there are literally hundreds and hundreds, possibly thousands. There's like 300 pages of back pain alone. So have a look at this. If you want to go and find out more about, certainly more about what you can treat. I mean, you can just see the list. If go, oh my God, I know someone with these digestive problems. I can offer Bowen therapy. And so have a look through this if you want. It's in your resources, the link. So, but it's bowentherapy.org.uk. Now remember, this is just one site that I stumbled upon in the UK. There's dozens of these testimonial sites. So anyway, have a look at that if you want to. If not, if you think, well, that's good enough for me, Mark, I want to learn more, then go to the next lecture.